I'm going to review 3 fat-burning foods that are great for getting rid of your belly fat. The first one, avocados, are great for burning belly fat because they contain a tremendous amount of fiber, and also they are made up of monounsaturated fats that have been shown in clinical studies to actually help reduce belly fat. The other one are nuts, your seeds, your pistachios, your walnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds. They help keep you full and satisfied for long periods of time, and they're stuffed with healthy, belly burning fats and minerals. This third one are healthy oils like olive oil, coconut oil. There are brand names like Udo's oil and Barlean's oil that actually help you burn fat by supplying healthy oils that your body needs to burn the excessive fat on your body. For more fat burning foods, please come back to this channel in a couple days or so.